everyone, the grass is done. Now let's start with the flowers. So here the flowers. So let's see. I want some pink because the flowers are pink. And Mama's favorite color is also pink because all girls' favorite color is pink. Hey, you fine. I just came. So I think the pink is done. So let's see. Does it work? Yeah, it's coming good. So I'm making 4 petals on it. Just leave that, okay?
Okay.
Now I need some green again. So first of all, let's make the stems, right? 1 flower, 2 flower, and for the 3rd flower. Now I want pink, the same one again.
Darker. Little more darker.
So pink. And I'm doing pink on this one.
You have not soaked water.
It's okay. It will go everywhere, no? So the pink is almost done. Now the pink is done. Now I have to rinse it and do purple. Okay, so purple, let's mix in the purple. Ooh, so I like this purple color actually. So now let's do the petals. Up one. Down one is going like that. This one will be 3 this time. So now the flowers are done. Now let's see. Okay, so there's a swing also. So that will have green also. So green is done. Now let's see. So the swing bar is orange. So this is the orange color, and whatever color this is, I don't know what it is. It looks like a more type of darker brown, but with some red. Oopsie, I got the orange and the pink. So make the bars. Ooh, this is coming out pretty good. Why? You might be thinking why this is squeezed, because there is less space. So I have to squeeze it. So now let's see. Oh no, black is gone. So just don't panic for black. Just use brown. Brown is like black also. But we have to do more darker. Okay, wherever I'm doing it like that. So now it's time for the sky. Means the lovely blue. And hey, why is it not on the wall? Hey, come out please. Okay, wherever I got some here. So I'm going to do around the sun and around the flowers. So I have to copy that one, however it is. So full is done like that and grass is that much. So I have to fill it all up. Okay. So this is supposed to be a picture of a park. So I'm doing the outside of the sun to be very careful. Okay, so you can see how lovely sky blue it is. Okay, and painting is so fun activity. Even if you're bored, watching videos are not fun. You don't want to do homework or even drawing or coloring. So you just watch my video that you will get an idea of painting. Okay, and it will be so fun. You can draw whatever you want. You can draw a teddy bear, anything that you know how to. A heart from A. Also, you can see on YouTube how to do painting from letters. Okay, that would be more fun than just regular painting. But it will take time also. All the time you have to see then do. So whatever you know to make, you just do it. Okay. And surprise your parents by painting. Okay. And see that I have seen Amisha's video of painting. Okay, then they will be surprised and they will say, wow, very good, I like your painting. Whatever it will be, they will say, wow, beautiful. And for small ones, they can also see, but they know how to make scribble. So they will do scribble. Then also their parents will say, good, very good. Because they are small, they don't know how to make beautiful things like butterflies. That is tough. They know how to do scribble. So let them just do scribble like this. They do scribbles like that. And that is kind of funny also. That babies does scribble, scribble, scribble. So I'm going to continue in doing this. When this flower is done, I'm going to end the video there. Oh, I just forgot. Outline the swing also. I have to. So that I will also do here for you. So you see that how it will be and see how much careful I can be. Think what is that? Tiny bit water. Now it has to come. Yay, it came. I hope it's not so watery. Yeah, it's not so watery. So I have to go down here like that. If it goes watery in there, just don't worry. Let it be watery. Okay, because this was tiny bit too much watery. Okay, so the last line. Okay, so now I'm going to rinse and you might be wondering will it stay wet like that? But no, I have one cloth. It's coming down. So I'm going to wrap it around the brush and soak it up. Tick, 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 tick. And also down because it is dripping. So I hope you enjoy my video of painting and try this at home. It is really fun. I'm going to end the video here because I'm tired. Bye. Thank you. You can see also.